Hi YouTube, today I'm here with my dad and my brother here. Hello. And today we will be open boxing the Andis Flipline Pro Lee, the cordless trimmer for cutting hair. Here's a little preview of the box itself, a little piece on the back. And so, a cordless trimmer is a machine. You plug it into a plug and you can cut people's hair. And so
tell them who your dad is.
My dad's name is Simeon. You can just call him Karan for now. And we will be.
And who he is? Who is your dad?
My dad is the guy who's recording me right now.
And what does he do?
He cuts hair for people.
And what's his name?
His name is Simeon Charles.
And what's the name of his shop?
And the name of his shop is International Trade Kings Barber Shop. Also, comment down below if you guys have saw the first video where we got a haircut. And which shop is your favorite? The one here or the one over there?